Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to see your Facebook activity. Whether you're running a Shopify store, just getting started, or managing your personal account, knowing how to review your activity on Facebook is essential for staying organized and protecting your privacy. To see your Facebook activity, go ahead and click your account on the upper right. Then click on Settings and Privacy, and then click on Settings again. This is where you can manage all aspects of your Facebook account. From security to notifications to activity logs, it's always a good idea to check on your settings periodically to ensure everything is up to date. Now, on the left-hand side, scroll down and you will find Activity Log. Click on that. The Activity Log is a detailed record of everything you've done on Facebook, from liking posts, commenting, and sharing to pages you've followed or groups you've joined. It's a great tool for keeping track of all your interactions, especially if you're managing a business page and want to see how people are engaging with your content. Then, on the same left-hand side, you will see the option at the top that says Your Facebook Activity. This includes everything that you've done on Facebook, every action you've taken. You can click on that and it's going to show you all your activity. It even includes past interactions with ads or posts from other pages, giving you a comprehensive view of everything you've been involved in. This is super helpful if you want to monitor your Facebook marketing efforts, whether it's your own posts or paid promotions. Even if you have some kind of data cleared, it is still going to show you your activity there on the Facebook section. So even if you've deleted old posts or cleared browser cookies, Facebook's activity log will keep a record. This makes it easy to see what you've done on the platform, even if you think it's been erased from your profile. This feature is valuable for Shopify store owners as it ensures transparency, especially when handling your business's interactions with customers or followers. That's it. You can go ahead and review what you have done, or, if you prefer, you can delete any activity by clicking on the three dots on the right and selecting Delete. This is a great option if you want to clear out any old interactions or get rid of posts that no longer align with your brand. Keep in mind, regularly managing your activity log is a good practice for maintaining privacy and keeping your Facebook profile or business page aligned with your current goals. And that's it. Easy, right? Keep an eye on your activity and you'll be able to manage your Facebook presence more effectively. And that's it for today's tutorial. I hope this helps you stay on top of your Facebook activity and gives you better control over your online presence. If you found this video useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to Drew Tutorial for more tips and tricks, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. If you have any questions or need help with anything else, feel free to drop a comment below. I'd love to help out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.